Today we're trying to get to the bottom of why do windows streak, here are the 4 main reasons, and the solution to leave those streaks behind. I mean figuratively, not literally leave streaks behind on the windows, because that's what we're trying to get rid of. Nose prints, fingerprints, greasy hands. Glass shows every imperfection, and the trick to cleaning is leaving nothing behind. Reason number 1. Using tap water mixed in cleaning solution can leave impurities. Hard water in particular has concentrations of calcium and magnesium salts. Use distilled water instead. It leaves no impurities behind. Number 2 reason, alcohol-based window cleaners often evaporate so quickly that the window dries out before the dirt can be removed. There are also ammonia solutions that have a basic pH above 11 and are good at stealing protons from fatty acid or grease, which makes them break down and dissolve, but ammonia can stain the following. Use distilled white vinegar to make a home cleaning solution. It's all natural, non-toxic, antibacterial, and is good on your salad. It has an acidic composition that dissolves dirt and grime, but is safe for the whole family. Mix vinegar and distilled water 50-50 to make your own solution. Using soap can be an excellent way to cut through grease on a window, but very little goes a long way, and too much can leave behind a heavy residue. If you have a very dirty window or mirror, use a limited amount of soap and wash away with distilled water before using your cleaning solution. Reason number 4. People commonly use paper towels to clean their windows. Use a microfiber cloth instead. Paper towels always leave behind linty streaks, so when cleaning windows you're better off without them. Buff with a microfiber cloth until you're streak-free.
Handz for Hire is a mobile app connecting neighbors ready to lend a hand with neighbors who need a hand. Download now in the App Store or on Google Play. Visit us at handsforhire.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.